happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to my YouTube channel, Be on the Plate. I'm your host, Mo, and no, this is not your average food channel. This is food for thought. Happy Monday to each and every one of you. I hope you guys have a wonderful week and starting it off on the right foot. Today, I am actually going to engage in a little project on the Blazer build. Today, what I'm going to do is, as you can see, this headliner is shot. So my options were to remove the actual liner and just buy a complete whole new one, and that would defeat the purpose of this being a budget build. So what I decided to do was I decided that I'm going to actually remove the liner, and then I'm going to paint the actual foam there so that it doesn't shed that sort of, it's shedding that material. I guess as you can see here, like the dust here, that's all from there. I don't want to be breathing that. I don't want anybody that is a passenger here to be breathing that. I don't know how safe that is to breathe. So I think that by painting it, I'm going to use a roller, one of the small little rollers, the mini roller. By doing that, it'll be able to lock in those little microfibers that's being dispelled into the air while you drive, especially when the windows are down. And that's why I haven't been driving with the windows down much, because of that. I don't want to be inhaling that. That could be toxic. This is a 92 vehicle, so I'm sure they didn't have a lot of those regulations that they have today on those vehicles back then. So I'm gonna be probably working from front to back, but first I'm gonna empty out the back, get everything out so that I'm gonna be able to navigate in here, and then I'm gonna remove like the sun visors, and possibly working around this, maybe just cutting around these things so I don't have to remove them. Just make it a little easier, a little simpler and quicker, and that'll work for me. So some of these I may have to remove, like these handles here, the oh shit handles there. So that's where we're at today. Again, I hope everybody's having a wonderful day, so stick along and watch how this little project turns out. So let's go. Swipe. Okay, so we got that all cleaned out, and now I'm gonna start removing what little things I need to remove to get ready for paint. So let's do it. These speakers actually look fairly new, but I don't know why the system sounds like shit. So I'm gonna go through that at some point and see what could be done about that. The weather's just absolutely perfect to do this because it's not hot, and it's actually, there's a little breeze from time to time, so it's gonna be good. I'm that type of person that always needs to have my hands in something, because as they say, idle time is the devil's workshop. So as long as I'm busy, as long as my mind is occupied and doing something productive, I'm in a good headspace. So it's a beautiful thing. That is dusty. That is dusty. I could tarp it inside But I don't think that's gonna be very effective because it's just all over the place. So I'm just gonna mask up and rip it down, bit by bit, piece by piece. That's what I'm gonna do. Coming off quite nicely now. Shit, that's looking better already. And I'm nowhere near done. I really don't care to get paint on the front windshield because it has to be replaced anyway. It's got a huge crack in it. Yo, dímelo. Wow. Claro, no me estaba ahí para el día. Yo te iba a llamar ahora mismo casi. David me mandó el dinero por WhatsApp, por Cash App.
Oye, Barney me dio los de ella hoy, entonces la otra cuando llegué, ahora mismo que la vi, me debe 130 pesos, que me lo traiga el miércoles.
Ajá.
Pero yo voy a hacer que mañana yo tiro eso cuando venga Jackie. O si aparece ya por ahí ahorita Jackie, pues voy y lo llevo al banco.
Alright.
Tengo ahí 1020.
So la tipa le falta ¿cuánto?
1.30.
1.30.
Me dio 5.20.
Ok. Anyway, yo te llamo ahorita para apuntar eso.
¿Ah?
Que yo te llamo ahorita para apuntarlo, para que no se me vaya.
Es que no se va a ir, que es el miércoles. El miércoles le pongo la puerta, véngase. Eso va para beber, le meto ese par de goma.
Estoy aquí bregando con la guagua.
Pues dale, me mete malo que cogió un aguacero en cojo, ¿no?
Oye, no, para acá está chipoteando un poco, pero...
No, pues así empezó aquí, chipoteando, no está lloviendo duro, tú sabes.
Yeah.
Dale.
Dale, hold on. Okay, so I'm all taped up. Now, excuse me. So now, show you what I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using this basement gray, right? And a roller. And I'm gonna roll my way through this fucking. That's what I'm gonna do. That is the plan. That is the plan. Away we go. So I'm just gonna section it off piece by piece and knock it down. So this is the end result. Not too shabby if you ask me. This I had to scrape some, but I'm gonna have to get a rag because that material started breaking up. But for the most part, pretty content with this. And it serves its purpose. I got the speaker covers, but I gotta check those speakers because I think there's some wiring issues. But yeah, not bad for $30-something, huh? Can of paint, little mini roller, huh? Looking good, baby. Looking good. Will this be the color of the Blazer? I don't know. Let's see. And that's by Roller. That is by Roller. That was just to see if I warm up to that color for the outside of the Blazer. I think I would want it maybe a little darker, or maybe not. Maybe that's it right there. Let me know what you guys think. That's that basement gray right there. And that's no sand, no prep, no nothing. Just slapped it on there. Let me know what you think.